In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use appointment reports in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your data, how to read it, and what to do with the insights so you can book more meetings and reduce no-shows. First, log in to your GoHighLevel sub-account. This is the workspace where your calendars, contacts, and workflows live. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and open the reporting section. From there, choose Appointment Report. This view pulls together everything related to your scheduled meetings so you can see performance at a glance. At the top of the page, set your date range. You can quickly toggle between today, yesterday, the last 7 days, or the last 30 days, or choose a custom range if you want to align the report with a campaign, a pay period, or a specific promotional window. Picking the right window is key because it frames every metric you're about to review. As a quick tip, compare the current period with the previous one to spot trends, and make sure your account time zone matches your team's working hours to keep numbers accurate. Now let's break down the main metrics you'll see. Total appointments is your raw booking volume. It answers the question, how many meetings were created in the period you selected? For example, seeing 120 bookings this month tells you your top-of-funnel activity is healthy, but it doesn't tell the whole story. Confirmed appointments shows how many people actively confirmed. This is a great indicator of reminder effectiveness and lead quality. If confirmations are low, consider tightening your confirmation message, sending it sooner, or adding a second touch. Canceled appointments tells you how many people backed out. A high cancel rate can point to weak follow-up, the wrong audience, or inconvenient time slots. Review your booking questions, offer alternative times, and make rescheduling easy. No-shows tracks people who booked but didn't attend. This metric hits your calendar hardest. If it's high, improve your reminder workflow, add SMS reminders, send clear confirmation emails, and include calendar invite automation so the event lands on your prospect's calendar. Completed appointments is the number of meetings that actually happened. Treat this as your real opportunity count because it reflects conversations that move deals forward. If you work with a team, use the report to analyze performance by staff member. Compare booking volume, cancellation rates, and no-show rates to find coaching opportunities, rebalance workloads, and identify what top performers are doing right. This is especially helpful for sales teams, legal practices, appointment setters, and clinics, where calendar efficiency directly impacts revenue. That's it. With the right date range and a clear read on these metrics, you'll turn appointment data into action and keep your pipeline moving.